Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Carol. So if you're new to my channel, please considering subscribing on my channel. And if you want to see makeup tutorial, vlogs, lifestyle, and some fashion, a little bit fashion, some hauls, and we're doing that in this channel. So it's been a while. I haven't done any filming. I haven't done any makeup tutorials. So for today's video, we are gonna be heading to a makeup tutorial since it's a season of Christmas holiday. So I'm planning to create something that you will perfectly can do in any occasions, especially this Christmas season. So I'll be using products that I got as well from Winners or the TJX Max. So if you guys are interested how we are going to be doing this, please continue watching. So all the products are here in front of me and they're pretty much new in my eye, and I really wanted to try, and I decided to create a full face using these products. So since I didn't find any new primer at the store, I decided to use these No Shine Mattifier from Quick FX. Nasa sachet lang siya, guys. And ito yung gagawin natin for the primer. So, yeah. I'm oily combination skin nga pala. Ayan. I also moisturize my skin na rin. So, ayan. We're really ready for this transformation. Ayan. I haven't found any good foundation. If I do, it's really dark on my skin. So for today, I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup in the shade 3W1. Ayan siya. I-shake lang natin siya. And ayan. This is full coverage makeup, guys, so you don't really need a lot for this, and you can really use any foundation you have, but I'll be using this this foundation just to give us more full coverage. And so bear with my face right now, medyo nagbe-break out tayo. Okay naman yung kanyang coverage. I love it. Okay, so I found this one at my Clear Complexions 4-in-1 Blemish Eraser in the shade 300 Medium. Ayan siya. So, actually, first time ko lang matry yung product na Almay. So, well, nakikita ko na siya sa drugstore, pero hindi ko siya talaga tinatry kasi I don't know. Hindi ko talaga siya kalala. But, let's see. Medyo light siya ng konti. So, let's see. Pero puro let's see. So, like usual, oh wow, it's really dark. Look. Ayan siya, guys. Medyo dark siya sa akin, pero let's see how it goes. I've been so obsessed doing my makeup, just 3 minutes on the go makeup, and I really love it. Well, if you feel like your skin doesn't need makeup, you don't really need to put that much of makeup, right? That's how I feel. That's why I'm only using a concealer. So yeah. This concealer is giving my face medyo may pagka-gray siya, guys. Yun yung nakikita ko. Medyo may gray effect siya sa aking skin. Pero wow, it's really full coverage, you guys. It's full coverage. I wasn't able to cover those bags that I have. Let's see. But let me blend them. So yeah. So one thing I noticed, ang hirap niyang i-blend. Like, ang bilis niyang matuyo, ang bilis niya mag-set. So now I'm having a hard time blending it. I don't know kung nakikita nyo, pero see here sa chin ko, dun pa yung pinaka-strip ng ginawa ko when I apply it. And include na natin yung neck para pantay. So far, so good. That's the closer look. As you can see, really full coverage tong base natin. So I'll be setting the whole face using this Cutie Earthspan, my ultimate favorite setting powder. Grabe guys, this is really cheap lang. Wala kasi akong nahanap na pang setting set powder eh. So I'll just using whatever I have here. For the brow, I've been seeing this in the drugstore. This is the CoverGirl Easy Brow Fill Shape and Define. Is shade soft brown. Ayan siya. You hear that? Yeah. Oh wow, what is that? So this is how the shade looks like. Ganyan siya guys. And parang ang ganda-ganda niyang ilagay sa brows. So give me 1 second and I apply that sa aking brow. So I'm just gonna try using the brush that it comes with. Oh wow, it's actually pretty good. Napakapal nga lang yung brows ko, pero oh wow, this is really nice product from CoverGirl guys. So just apply it and yeah, medyo napakapal lang dito sa isa kong brows yung paglagay. I find it's really too much. So yeah, so we're not done with the brows. Let's just remove this extra powder sa ating face kasi overbake na yan. Masusunog na yan, batch. Yan. Let's move on sa ating eyeshadow look, which is I've been waiting to do it. This is from the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke 15 Shadow Palette. And ayan, hindi ko alam kung bago to. I don't think bago to kasi yeah. So it comes guys with a full-size mirror, which is really good for $7.99. Oh wow. This is amazing. Yung color choices niya. Oh. Yeah. So let's see if we are able to use all of this color here. So we're not done with the eyes, but I'll be going back sa aking eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay? I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer. And I got it also as well from TJX Max. So this is how it looks like. Ang compact nitong powder na to. Itong bronzer na to. And that's how it looks like, guys. Ayan. And this, para siyang kabuki soft brush. Kabuki ba tawag dito sa ganito? Ayan. Try natin. And by the way, don't worry about the eyes. We're not done yet sa ating eyes. So, I usually leave it there muna. Because I want to see I want to see my face, you know. Gusto ko bumalik na yung kulay sa aking face. Because, puro na tayo, powder and wala nang korte. Yeah. I will be able to use this blush from Shoumura. Because this one is a cushion blush. And this one is in the shade Vive Red. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ang cute, diba? Para siyang cushion na foundation. And it comes with this tiny puff. Tapos, ayan, ganyan talaga siya, guys. So, ganyan yung itsura niya pag in-open mo. And then, when you open it, wow, that's too pink. This is the shade, guys. Yan. So, let's do that with the sponge. So, ito yung aking sponge. And, try natin. Kinakabahan ako. Anyway. Hindi ako nag-expect ng ganyan siya ka-pigmented. Yan. But, let me finish my look sa aking eyes and I'll be right back again. Okay. Again, I'm done doing the eyes. Naglagay na rin ako sa lower lash ko and now we are moving sa ating eyeliner, mascara, and we're pretty much done. So, this one I got from Kat Von D. Inkwell, this one, long wear eyeliner. It's really sharp. Yeah. I'm just gonna be using my curl line liner kasi medyo mahirap siyang gamitin. Okay na ako dyan. And let's curl our lashes. I'll be using this Scala 3D Fox Mink Weightless Volume and Curl na lashes nila. So, I'll show you what it looks like. Ang pretty niya, guys. So, let's do this. And so, I'm back. Lashes is on. So, now, let's just put some mascara using this from Goddess by Mana and Kadar. Ang ganda ng lashes, guys. I love the lashes. So, let's just put, wow, really nice packaging, eh? So, yan. I-shake lang natin. Lagay lang natin siya sa ating lower lashes. And, so, look at that applicator. Lagay lang natin siya dito. Starting doing my nose contour. So, medyo nag-contour na rin ako ng konti sa nose. Very, very tiny, very little bit lang naman. Pretty much done. We're just moving on sa ating highlighter. So, for the highlighter, I'm always going for my Hourglass highlighter. This one is in the shade Eurofreak Strobe Light. I don't know kung powder siya or highlighter, but I usually use this as my highlighter. And it's work amazing. Amazing. So, dito lang. Sa cheeks. Other cheeks. Glowy. Glow babesh. That's the glow. A little bit here. A little bit here. Dito sa ating. Yeah. We are gonna be using this NARS Velvet Lip Glide Duo. Ito siya. Ayan. Tapos nakalagay siya dito. Medyo basura yung kanyang packaging. But it comes with 2 shades. Ayan yung shade niya, guys. Dalawa. But this is only a travel size. Swatch natin siya. Which one should we use for this look? This one, Ito yung kanyang color. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Itong dark. Ayan, yan. Yan yung shade niya. So, let's try the light one. Kasi medyo heavy na yung eyes natin eh. So, let's go for something medyo nude ang kulay. Voila! We're done! Let's just set this full face and I will be right back with the final look. So that's it for today's video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video natin today. And may natutunan, ano yung lesson? But anyway, this is the final look that I created for this holiday. And pwede nyo siyang gawin, guys. Medyo i-light nyo, i-adjust nyo yung konti yung shadow kung hindi nyo siya gusto. Pero sa akin, I really love how it looks like. Talagang on the go siya. Hindi siya on the go, I would say, but you need time to do it. You need more blending because me as well, I need to blend more eyeshadow para para smooth talaga yung labas ng shadow look, eyeshadow mo. So, ayun guys, and I really love how this makeup look turns out, and especially hands down naman talaga dito sa BH Cosmetics na Glam Reflection Smoke eyeshadow palette. Grabe guys, it's really pigmented. Ayan, pag nakita niyo siya sa market, it's really affordable and worth it yung money niyo kasi it's pigmented. Yun lang yung masabi ko, and pwede siya talaga for any makeup na gusto mo. Hindi nga lang siya yung parang mga colorful, mga yellow, pero mga neutral color siya na pasok sa budget nyo. So, ayun guys, and we're really happy about this look, and yeah, sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood na aking video. Don't forget to give this a video a like and subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye!
Bye.